What is 3D tube bending machine, and how does it improve modern manufacturing? The 3D tube bending machine is designed to form metal tubes into complex shapes in 3 dimensions, going far beyond simple flat bends. At BOBO Machinery, we specialize in advanced tube processing technologies, delivering reliable solutions for efficient and precise manufacturing. Our 3D tube bending machine combines 3 essential movements: feeding, rotating, and bending. With a fully integrated CNC control system, every step is executed with high accuracy and consistency. Unlike traditional machines that operate on a single plane, BOBO tube bending solution enables multi-directional bending, allowing for complex geometries and tighter tolerances. The system ensures smooth curves, stable angles, and minimal deformation, even in demanding production environments. It is widely used in copper or aluminum tube bending. Through automation, the machine reduces manual intervention and significantly improves production efficiency, helping manufacturers save time and labor costs. BOBO Machinery not only provides high-performance equipment, but also complete tube processing and pipe manufacturing solutions tailored to your production needs. BOBO Machinery, powering smarter manufacturing with advanced tube bending technology.